Quality is not an act, it's a habit. And in the pharmaceutical industry, quality is life. Every tablet, every vial, every batch must meet the highest standards. But how do we ensure excellence every single time? The answer lies in Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a powerful methodology designed to minimize defects and variability in processes. In simple words, it's all about doing things right, every time. The name Six Sigma comes from statistics, aiming for a process so perfect that defects are limited to just 3.4 per million opportunities. Six Sigma works through a systematic approach known as DMAIC. Define the problem, measure the current process, analyze root causes, improve the process, and control to sustain the gains. In pharmaceuticals, Six Sigma is not just a quality tool, it's a compliance safeguard. From raw material testing, to manufacturing, to packaging, to final release. Six Sigma helps reduce deviations, improve consistency, and ensure regulatory compliance with agencies like the FDA and EMA. Lean Six Sigma combines the defect reduction power of Six Sigma with the waste elimination focus of lean manufacturing. While Six Sigma fights variability, Lean fights waste, like unnecessary movement, overproduction, waiting time, and excess inventory. Imagine a tablet manufacturing line where machines run without idle time, material flows without bottlenecks, and deviations are almost zero. Lean Six Sigma makes this possible, leading to faster production, lower costs, and above all, higher patient safety. Here's a real example. A pharma company applied Lean Six Sigma to its capsule filling process. By identifying sources of weight variation, optimizing machine settings, and reducing setup times, they cut batch rejection rates by 75% and saved millions annually. In a world where medicines save lives, quality is non-negotiable. Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma give us the discipline, tools, and mindset to deliver the best, every time. Because in pharma, quality isn't just a goal, it's a responsibility. Here's another real-world case. A leading pharmaceutical company used Lean Six Sigma to streamline its vaccine production line. By mapping out every step, identifying bottlenecks, and implementing real-time monitoring, they reduced production cycle time by 30% and improved batch yield by 20%. This not only accelerated vaccine delivery, but also ensured higher quality and safety for patients. In addition, the company trained its staff in Six Sigma principles, empowering teams to solve problems proactively. As a result, deviations dropped significantly, and regulatory audits became smoother and faster. Meet Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, a passionate educator dedicated to inspiring minds. Subscribe to EduDose for more insightful content and elevate your learning journey.
Subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.